Practical tips: invite the children. Through organizing the IntegrART workshops, we've learned that including children in music workshops for migrants aimed at integration with local communities has a wide range of benefits. Involving children creates a unique opportunity for accelerated integration, as children act as catalysts in bridging the gap between different cultures. Children are naturally curious and open-minded. They approach new experiences and interactions without preconceived notions or biases. This openness allows them to embrace diversity more readily and engage with people from different cultural backgrounds with genuine curiosity and interest. Music workshops provide a structured yet enjoyable environment for children from different cultures, same as the adults, to come together and collaborate. Through music, they can create something together, communicate non-verbally, and share in the joy of creating something beautiful. This shared experience helps break down barriers and promotes a sense of unity among participants. It also provides children with a platform to showcase their talents and cultural heritage. It boosts their confidence and self-esteem, as they realize that their unique perspectives and contributions are valued and celebrated. Children's participation in music workshops can also have a positive impact on adults. When adults witness children interacting harmoniously and embracing diversity, it challenges their own possible biases and prejudices. It can inspire adults to question their assumptions, learn from children's open-mindedness, and adopt a more inclusive mindset. Additionally, involving children in the workshops promotes intergenerational learning and cultural exchange. Migrant adults can share their musical traditions and skills with the younger generation, passing down their knowledge and heritage. As you can see, including children in the workshops has a lot of benefits. We recommend you try it.